Children, now 7th class data handling, third one central tendency is median. The middle most value of the data when the observations are arranged in the either ascending or descending order is called median. Middle value is called median. First the given data you should write in ascending or descending order. మనం ascending orderలో కానీ descending orderలో కానీ రాసిన తర్వాత middle value ఏముంటుందో that is called median. That's all. In this one some 2 points are there. First one, if the number of observation that is called n is odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Odd number of observations are given. For example, 5, 7, like these observations are given. First 5, if some observations are 5, observations 5 ఉన్నాయనుకోమ్మా, అటు రెండు ఇటు రెండు తీసేస్తే మిడిల్ వన్ ఈజ్ మీడియన్. ఓకే, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations are there. We can remove both sides 2 observations. 3 is the middle one. Okay, that is called n plus 1 by 2. And total how many observations? 5 observation. 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, 3. Third observation. Okay, this one third observation. Okay, that is called first one. Second point, if the number of observations is even, then the middle is the average of n by 2 and n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 the observation. అంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అయ్యాయనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6 observations are there. 6 observations means 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 observations are like this. Here one cancel, here one cancel. Between 9 and 10 are there. You can find the average of 2 observations. Then our average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. అంటే ఇది ఎన్నో అబ్జర్వేషన్ అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ 6 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 6 by 2 that is 3 and 3 plus 1 that is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And third and fourth observations. 1, 2, 3. This one third observation. Fourth observations average find చేయాలి. Okay. This is called the median. Example 4. Find the median of the data 32, 43, 25, 67, 46, 71 and 182. Write the solution. Given data. Write the given data 32, 43, 25, 67, 46, 71 and 182. Ascending order of the data. Write the ascending order of the data is 25. First write the 25, cut the 25. Next 32 and 32 also you cut here. 43. Next 46. Next 67. Next 71 after 182. Here you cut the each number, then all numbers are అన్ని నెంబర్స్ వచ్చాయా లేదా మనకు తెలుస్తుందమ్మా. మీడియన్, మిడిల్ అబ్జర్వేషన్. హియర్ how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations are there. One subject. Here 3, here 3. Middle one is, what is the middle one? 46. Median is 46. That's all. అలాగే మనం హియర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే ఏమని చెప్పాం? n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 by 2 అబ్జర్వేషన్. ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే n plus 1 by 2 అబ్జర్వేషన్. n plus, how many numbers are given here? Observations 7. 7 plus 1 by 2 that is equal to 8 by 2. Fourth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 46 is the fourth observation. Okay, like this also you can do the sum. This is easy method. Okay, now see the exercise 6.3. First sum. Find the median of the following. First one, 7, 3, 15, 0, 1, 71, 19, 4 and 17. Given data, write the data. What is the given? 7, 3, 15, 0, 1, 71, 19, 4 and 17. Ascending order of the data is, write the ascending order. Smallest one is 0. You cut the 0, write 0 and 1, and after 3, again after 4, after 7, 15, 17, 19 and 71. Okay, all numbers here, write here. What is the median? Median రాసినప్పుడు మన ఈజీ మెథడ్ ఏంటంటే, వన్ సీ ద చిల్డ్రన్, హియర్ 0 is there and here also cut 71. This side one number, this side one number, you can cut 19, this side 1, here also 3, here 17, here 4, here 15. What is the median? 7 is the median. 7 is the median. Here 4 numbers are there, here also you cut the 4 numbers, 7 is the median. Okay, now see the next sum, second sum. 12, 23, 11, 18, 15, 20, 86 and 27. Find the median of the data. Given data is, solution, given data is, again write the same, 12, 23, 11, 18, 15, 20, 86 and 27. Ascending order of the data. Write the ascending order. Each one you cut, write and cut it. 11, you cut the 11 and write here 12 and 15, here write 15 after 18 and 20, 23, 27 and 86. Okay, now write the ascending order. Middle one, you can find the middle numbers. You cut the both sides one number, 1, here also 1, right side one number, left hand one number, here 12, here 27, 15, here 23, middle here 2 numbers are there. Okay, you should find the average of the this middle 2 numbers. Okay children, now median is equal to average of, what is the median, middle 2 numbers? 18 and 20. Average of 18 and 20. Average means sum of observations by number of observation. Here only 2 numbers are there. You can find 18 plus 20 by 2. 18 plus 20 means 38 by 2. 38 by 2 is equal to 19. You don't know, here do the 2 1s are 2, 18, 2 9s are 18, 0. Therefore, median is equal to 19. Median is equal to 19. Okay. Second sum, the number of pages of the textbook of a different subjects are 421, 175, 128, 117, 150, 145, 147 and 113. Find the median of the given data. Okay, given data, again write the same numbers here. Ascending order of the data. First one, what is the smallest one in this one? 113. Write the 113. After 117, after 128, after 145, after 147, after 150, after 175 and 421, last one. All numbers are completed here. Okay, now find the median. Median, left side one number, you cut the right side one number. Again this one number, one number, side one number, one number. How many numbers are middle? Here 2 numbers are middle. Then should find the average of 145 and 147. 145 and 147. Average means sum of observations by number of observations. 145 plus 147 by 2. We can add 145, 147. See, 5 plus 7, 12, 9, 292 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 9, 2 4s are 8, 12, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 146. Here 146, that is equal to 292 by 2 is equal to 146. Therefore, median is equal to 146. Okay, children? ఏం లేదమ్మా, మిడిల్లో 2 నెంబర్స్ వస్తే ఆ రెండింటికి యావరేజ్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తే ఈ రెండింటికి మిడిల్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. ఒకసారి చూడండి, 145, 147. ఈ రెండింటికి మిడిల్ ఎంత? 146. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీడియన్. ఓకే, సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ అనదర్ సమ్. ద వీక్లీ సేల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద మోటార్ బైక్స్ in a showroom for a past 14 weeks are 10, 6, 8, 3, 5, 6, 4, 7, 12, 3, 16, 10, 4 and 7. Find the median of the data. Write the given data. Same, write the all numbers like this only. Next one, ascending order of the data. Write the each number. First was small to big. Ascending order means 3. Here write 3. 4 2 times, 1 time. And here second time. Write 4 2 times. After 5 1 time, 5. 6 2 times, 1 2. 6 2 times. 7 also 2 times, 1 2. 8 1 time. 10 and 10 here also 2 times. 12, 13, 16. Median means middle term కావాలంటే చెప్పాను కదా, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 నెంబర్ యూ కట్ అండ్ రైట్ సైడ్ 1 నెంబర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ మెథడ్. నెక్స్ట్ సైడ్, దిస్ సైడ్ అండ్ దిస్ సైడ్, left side, right side, one number you can cut. What is the middle 2 numbers? 7 7. You should find the average of 7 7. Median is equal to average of 7 and 7. Okay, 7 plus 7 by 2, that is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, median is equal to 7 times. Median is equal to 7. Okay, now fourth sum. Find the median of the 0.3, 0.25, 0.32, 0.147, 0.19 and 0.2 and 7.1. Given data. Write the data. What is the given? Right here. Once observe the children. Here the first one, decimal after 1 place is there. Second one, decimal after 2 places are there. This one also 2 places. This one 0.147, decimal after 3 places are there. Here 2 places, here 1 place, here 1 place. All are unlike decimals. Now convert into like decimals. Like decimals means decimal after what is the greatest place when 3 places are there. That's why remaining all are convert into like decimals. Decimal after number you can 3 places, remaining 2 places are you can add zeros. Okay, 0.300, this one 0.250, 0.320, 0.147, 0.190, 0.200, 7.100. Now observe, all are decimal after 3 places. These are called like decimals. Now observe what is the smallest one. You know that whole number is 7, this one greatest number. Now remaining all are zeros only. We can check these are which one is smallest. 0 after, decimal after 1 is there here. 1 is the smallest number. Here also 1 is there. Next number, here 4, here 9. Then this one is the smallest number. Write the first smallest number, 0.147. You cut and write here. Okay, next one 0.19, you can write here. Next one 0.200, next one 0.250, 0.300, next 0.320 and 7.100. Here observations are 7 observations. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 observations are there. Here this one left right hand side 3 observations and left hand side 3 observation you can remove. And this one is the middle observation, 0.250 middle one, that is called median. 0.250 is median. Okay children, now see the children, fifth sum. If the mean of the observations 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x, x greater than 0 is 28. Find the value of x. Okay, solution. Given data. What is the given data? 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. X greater than 0. Okay, these are values are positive values, that's why x is the only positive numbers. Okay, ascending order, this one already in ascending order. Ascending order of data. Ascending order of data is 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. Okay, now median. What is the median? You can, this side one number, you can cut this side one number, this side one number. 4x is median. Median is equal to 4x. According to data, median is equal to 4x. But here given, if the mean of observations 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x is 28. Given median of data is 28. Here median, what is the median? Here 4x is equal to 28. Okay children, ఈ డేటా తాలూకు మీడియన్ 28 అని ఇచ్చారమ్మా, కానీ మనం సమ్ చేస్తే వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీడియన్ వచ్చింది 4x అని వచ్చింది. దెన్ 4x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 28. దెన్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 28/4. 4 1 ja 4 7 ja, x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7. This is the answer. Therefore x is equal to 7. Okay children, this one median also completed. నేను లాస్ట్కి ఫొటోస్ అన్నీ, నోట్స్ ఫొటోస్ అన్నీ పెడతానమ్మా, మీరు కాపీ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్.